Welcome back. Today's agenda on AM Urban Exploration, sponsored by My Terrible Life Choices. Welcome to Chengdu, Sichuan. Never heard of it? Well, if you're holding an iPad or a Mac, part of your device definitely remembers this place. Plus, it's one of the biggest powerhouses in Western China. Here we are at Shuangqiaozi Overpass, right in the heart of Chengdu. Rumor has it that guys need to keep their guard up around here at night. Wish me luck. To my right is a public restroom that's apparently a bit of a localized hotspot. Rumor has it, if you're just a regular guy walking in, you might get way more personal attention than you asked for. Word was, this place would be jumping at midnight, but I show up and it's literally just me and a single cop car. Total scam, right? Just as I was about to call it quits and head home though, I spotted something pretty interesting. See those two guys up ahead? My gut is telling me I've finally hit the mother lode. Though, contrary to the local lore, nobody seems to be retreating into the woods just yet. Now that I've confirmed there's actually something going on here, I'm sticking around. Sure, it's not the wild show the internet promised, but hey, I came all this way, so might as well enjoy the waiting game. I spotted someone over there and decided to ask for some local Chengdu travel tips. Naturally, I knew knowledge wasn't going to be completely free. When I approached her, she offered to give me advice in the nearby bushes for 10 minutes, at a grand total of 200 RMB. Geez, that's like 30 bucks. Yeah, I think I'll be taking my budget tour questions elsewhere. There's another person standing by the curb, so I figured I'd try my luck again. Result? The exact same consultation package as before. Man, Chengdu's inflation rate is out of control. Plus, I'm not even 100% sure the lady in front of me is, well, actually a lady. And did you catch that other lady riding by on the bike? I'd bet money that was a dude. Yikes, I am not wasting my hard-earned cash here. This is getting spooky. All right, time to face the infamous danger restroom I mentioned earlier. Trust me, it took every ounce of my courage to step in there. Plot twist. Absolute silence and surprisingly sparkling clean. Guess Lady Luck was on my side tonight. Anyway, that's it for today's video. We came, we saw, and we definitely confirmed there are a few ladies here who aren't quite ladies. But hey, not really my cup of tea. See you guys in the next one.